2005 Chevy Express van. I'll work on several makes and models, versions of these vans, but if you're going to replace a turn signal bulb or any bulbs here in this area, either one, you just get a screwdriver, stick it between the light and the black piece here and push on this tab and force it out. And it should come out right there. Kind of see how it's spring loaded. Just locks in that hole there. And got some pins here and pieces on the end locking down there. So pretty much as simple as that. Just untwist them. Just like turn left to loosen, right to tighten. Pretty much the same. That's all I got to do. Hope this video helps somebody out.